Hi, Latasha Rosier Balin here, CEO and President of LDR Credit Solutions, where life demands results. We have helped so many Americans nationwide afford the American dream, and that's home ownership. We have helped so many clients nationwide walk into a car dealership and be able to have little to no money down on the car of their dream. And you know what? In today's society, you can make six figures or more and you are still judged to say you cannot afford a home, a car, an apartment, or whatever it is that you want, need, and desire. Why is that? It's because we all have a 3-digit number that affects our financial health. And we help our clients to get that number as high as possible and back on track. You know, in today's age, your credit is dictated by everything. It demands respect, and you have to have it as high as possible to be able to get the respect that you deserve in this country. So listen, I want you to click somewhere within this video more information as to how our company will help you reach your goals and dreams, okay? Because at the end of the day, cash is no longer king. Credit is power. All right, you guys, thanks for listening in, and we look forward to helping you achieve access to the 700 Club. Have a great day.